Hello and welcome to this video on how to make friends. We all know that having friends is an essential part of our lives. They not only make our lives happier but also provide us with support and a sense of belonging. But sometimes making friends can be challenging. In this video, we will discuss some tips on how to make new friends. Tip 1. Be open and approachable. The first step to making new friends is being open and approachable. Smile and make eye contact with people around you. Show interest in others and ask them questions about themselves. This will help to break the ice and make you more approachable. Tip 2. Join clubs or organizations. Joining clubs or organizations is a great way to meet people who share your interests. This can be anything from a sports team, a book club, a volunteer group, or even a gaming group. Find something that you enjoy doing and join a group that shares that interest. This will give you a chance to meet people who have similar hobbies and passions. Tip 3. Attend social events. Attending social events is another way to meet new people. This can be anything from a party, a networking event, or even a community gathering. These events provide an opportunity to meet new people in a relaxed and social setting. Don't be afraid to strike up a conversation and introduce yourself. Tip 4. Be yourself. One of the most important things to remember when making new friends is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. People will appreciate you for who you are, and genuine connections are more likely to form when you are authentic. Tip 5. Follow up and stay connected. Making new friends is only the first step. It's important to follow up and stay connected with the people you meet. Exchange contact information and make plans to hang out again. This will help to build and strengthen your relationships. Making new friends can be challenging, but by being open and approachable, joining clubs or organizations, attending social events, being yourself, and following up and staying connected, you can build meaningful friendships. Remember, friendships take time and effort to develop, but they are worth it in the end. Thank you for watching, and good luck in your quest to make new friends.